Welcome. In front of me is an iPad from 2021, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And all you need to do is pull down your control center, which is on the right side. So when you slide down from the top downwards, you'll get this. And as you can see, we have the Do Not Disturb mode right here with the moon icon. For some reason it's called focus, but that's when you click on it, it gives you a couple different options here. So we have the Do Not Disturb mode. We have starting, personal, and work. Now, the personal allows you to actually customize it, starting probably as well. And apart from that, you can also tap on those three dots and you will get the option for how long you want to turn it on. So you can see for 1 hour or until tomorrow morning. It looks like there's no other option for some reason. So anyway, pick one of those. And from there, once you want to turn it on, simply click on the toggle itself, like so. And as you can see, it tells us that Do Not Disturb mode is on right now. Additionally, you don't actually have to open this kind of panel up every single time. You can simply tap on this circle icon to turn it on and off, like so. So anyway, this is how you toggle on the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.